Hello, welcome and most welcome once again to ZSTechAcademy. Dear viewers, today I will show you how to create a folder through using CMD and how to delete a folder through using CMD. It's very easy. Just from keyboard press when key plus R and here write CMD. Okay, here is CMD terminal. If you want to create a folder in desktop, so we have a command cd desktop, because cd means select desktop, because we want to create a folder here in desktop. Now if we want to create a folder, there we have a command md mean make directory. By which name you want to create a folder? Pretend I would like to create a folder here in desktop by name Ali, then press. Okay, here we have a folder with the name Ali. Now that we created a folder, now I would like to delete or remove the folder with the name Ali. Just we have here one else command rd mean remove directory. rd, which directory would you like to delete? I would like to delete the directory with the name Ali. Then we should write here Ali. rd remove directory with the name Ali. Enter. Okay, here we go, that we deleted the directory with the name Ali. So through this way you guys can delete and create any folder through using CMD.